Hey there, Shopify entrepreneurs. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a game changer for you. We're going to talk about how to change your Shopify store name and URL. So, let's dive right into it. Alright, first things first. Log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head straight to the bottom left-hand corner and click on the setting. That'll take you to your settings. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on Edit under Basic Information. Now, if you're just updating your store name or industry, this is the place to do it. Simply type in your new store name and hit Save. But hey, if you're not changing your store name like me, just click Cancel. Now, let's talk URLs. Scroll down a bit until you see domains on the left-hand side. Here's the deal, most serious businesses don't mess around with those free My Shopify URLs. But hey, if you've got one and you're ready to level up, listen closely. You can change that My Shopify domain once. Just click on Change to a new My Shopify domain. Enter your desired URL, and hit Add Domain. Easy as pie. Now, let's say you've already got a custom domain but it's not linked to your Shopify store. No worries, I've got you covered. Click on your domain, then select Set as Primary. Boom, done. And there you have it, folks. Changing your Shopify store name and URL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.